Put my glasses on. Hello. Right, my bandmate, Roki, gave me this. I have no idea what it is. He says it's a fun, noisy thing. Let's find a battery for it. Right. He says it's a fun thing. I don't know what it does. I'm going to put a battery on it and find out. So, oh yeah. These little dudes have a little safety thing, which is quite neat. Like that. God, I tell you what, this is... Oh! Oh, there we go. Oh, that's pretty... Oh my god, it's really sharp on the bottom. Ow. Right. It rattles. Okay. So, just to be nice and simple, I'm going to assume this side is out. I'm just plug that into my interface. And I'm just going to set up Ableton. Right, Mr. Ableton. Here's hoping it does something. Right, so this is a Budda Box. That's what I call it. I mean, I don't actually know what they're called, but a chanting box perhaps. I've used this on stage loads of times. It sounds like this. Which I think just sounds brilliant. Unfortunately, it has an output. So, what on earth? I'm actually just going to press record in Ableton, which means it's probably going to... Well, there's some noise coming through I can see already. Oh yeah, I'm going to switch my amp on so otherwise I'm not going to hear anything. I'm just going to have some beer. Right, so I'm just going to press record. So I'm just setting this up quickly. Random crap. Budda, let's call it Budda Box noise. Right then. Right, on with the Budda Box. Okay, nothing happening yet. I'm wondering if this is a power switch on the back. Is it going about to blow out my interface? Oh. Okay, I think it might have been on. Oh, there's a red light. Literally have no idea what's going on there. Okay, so that is power. Well, there's nothing going on so far. Put all these switches up. Oh god, I felt the pot move under there. Everything at 12 o'clock. Is this working? Yep, that's working. So why is there nothing coming through? Crank up the interface. Oh, there's something. Ah. Oh, doesn't appear to need that. Wow. God, the signal's really low. God, all these pots are really loose. Oh, I quite like that. I wonder if all of these are connected. Hang on, come on, I've broken it. Okay, that appears to be volume. I wonder if they're all just on and off. Nope. That is pretty harsh. So what does that do? gone again. What is that? Can you hear this alright? So this thing just screams, it would appear. Okay, so that definitely is power. It doesn't appear to need any... Oh no, that is having an effect. Look, that's off. What this is supposed to do. Doesn't appear to be doing much. Oh. Yep, no idea what that's doing. Oh. Just like a... There's no kind of bass. Apparently this cost something off eBay. I know it was under £100. It's basically all you need to do a noise set. Something like this. Anyway, have you had enough of listening to this yet? That's a thunk and a half. This is literally, I can feel it's loose inside. So is that one, because I'm turning the pot. You see it springing back slightly. Ah, it's because it's come unbolted. Oh, okay. Okay, well I'm going to switch off the Budda Box now and go to another instrument that I don't know what to do. I guess just switch it off. Right, that's not the only instrument I've been given. This is the guitar. These are given to me by the guitarist of These Are End Times, which is my, as you call it, my main band. Yep, sorry about that. Here we go. Oh, that's quite a lot hotter. Okay. Oh God, wish me luck. I'm just leaving Ableton recording, so I apologise if this goes nuts. Right then. Oh! It's doing something. I guess that's just volume. I'm going to very tentatively turn that up whilst having my hand on the interface. So that was on. That's volume. There's a little tuning thing here. You see that? What's this do? Yeah, it's still volume. Ooh! What is that? Okay, let's turn them all this way. Turn them all back. Oh, that's getting quite nice. Ooh. I don't think there's anything coming out of that. Right, definitely off and on. I like this. Oh, I've got a really nice... Right, I'm going to leave this almost untreated when I upload it. I might just add a little bit of saturation just for warm. Wow, what an unpleasant sound! God, I shudder to think what this would be like for a massive PA. Right, I think that's enough. Thanks for watching.